Hey guys, are you excited? Because I am. I'm just about to show you something very, very special right now. But first, let me introduce myself and tell you a bit about ourselves. My name's Craig Crawford, and I'm here with my partners JF Garsula and Monica Morley. Now, we're well established internet marketers, and we know what we want from video players and tools that we use. This video player we put together when we spent months and months putting our heart and soul into this because we want to use this personally for our businesses too. Now, if you're here just out of interest, or you're looking to push your business forward or monetize the videos you do, or you're looking to get into video, or you're looking for the next tool that can help you do this kind of thing, then you're in the right place. I'm here to teach you a few lessons about some tips and strategies as well, so everyone's going to benefit from watching this video. To begin with, this video mimics YouTube. It captures subscribers, it monetizes, it redirects people to wherever you like. You can survey prospects, or you can have it as a questionnaire. You can give people can give you their information in exchange for to watch the rest of the video, or at the end of the video there's so many options with this and so many reasons why you need to be using this that I'm just going to point them all out for you and give you a demo. So to begin with, once you've installed the Video Nova demo, which is really simple, you go into plugins, add new, and then you just browse for wherever you uploaded it, your zip file, and then you install it. Then once you've installed it, you come into the left hand side within your WordPress, click Video Nova. Now these videos here are ones that we've already done just to give you an example so you kind of know what we're talking about. To add a new video, you go to New Video. This is really easy, and you're going to see why. You enter the title, so you type in Counting Stars, the YouTube URL. You can autoplay it, or you can have the control showing. You don't have to have either of those. Then once you've done that, you go on to step 2. Logo and video thumbnail. The logo and the video thumbnail are to add your own personal touches to it. YouTube doesn't always allow people branding their stuff as well as they should be, and if you're not branding stuff, this is where I'm saying that this is where the lessons are coming in as well. You need to be branding, and you need to be branding everything. Me and you sat there right now, we could sit down at a table together, have a cup of coffee, and we could probably list thousands of brands, whether it's McDonald's, Burger King, Apple, Mac, Hewlett Packard, Nike, Adidas, anything, you name it, WordPress, different themes, everything is branded, and that's because it's it's what people come to know. It's what builds you a good rapport with people, trust. People buy a product from you or get information from you. They see your brand around because your label's stamped on that. They know to trust it, and they know to obviously take advantage of situations with your brand because they trust you and they know that you provide a good service or you give good products or whatever. So yeah, that's something that you need to bear in mind. If you're not doing that yet, then you need to be. Step 3, once you've added them into it, this is where it gets really interesting. On the top right hand side, this is the preview that you'll see, just so you know that the video is working. You can add a video add in, a HTML overlay, a survey, or different banners. The HTML overlay is kind of unique because not that many people do it. You can add in opt-in forms, you can add in big banners that take up the whole screen, you can add all sorts in there. So to begin with, I'm going to teach you how to do a video ad. We've already kind of pre-done one, but I'll show you anyway. You go to video ads here, you go to new video ad, title, so title, for example, the YouTube URL that you've already kind of got. This is a video ad that you can have playing before, during, or after. It will pop up on the screen, but it will not be offensive. This is what I'm about to go into. You will understand as soon as I point out some things. This is why I'm going to be teaching you some lessons as well. The redirect URL. So once you've got an advert playing and you want to redirect them wherever you desire, that's what they will, when they click the adverts, that's where they'll go to. Whether it's a landing page or a sales page or a blog or a Facebook group, you name it, wherever you want to send them, you can do so. So I'm going to close this. Once you've entered that information, this will come as the preview. You have the title, you have the thumbnail with the URL underneath, just so you can make sure that it's alright. The redirect URL that you've entered, and obviously the actions, which is edit and delete. And obviously, the more videos that you put in, the more fuller it gets. So then obviously you can search easier. There's a search bar and there's the entries. So yeah, once you've done that, let's go back to all videos. It will take you through to, we get to step 3. To step 3, and like I say, this is the preview. That is the video ad that I've just showed you. We've kind of got the VN demo there. This is basically, if you want this showing, this advert showing at a certain time, the VN demo that I was showing you, through this video is 3 minutes 45 seconds long, and the timer is 3 minutes 46, so it gives you that 1 second play for near the end. But you could have it show up at the very beginning like a YouTube advert was, and if you're not understanding that yet, then I'm just about to show you. You can have it wherever you like, so the adverts can pop up at intervals. Every single one of these different things can pop up when you like, at whatever time you like. So if you've got an hour-long video, you could have the YouTube advert to kind of pre-sell them. And when I say the YouTube video advert, I'll show you now just so you understand. Once you've done this, you go back. Well, once you've saved it, it'll take you to here. You get shortcode. You don't just need the shortcode. Like I say, you can put the code wherever you desire. You go into your WordPress page, your editor. There's a button here in your toolbar where it says Video Nova. These are the videos that we already set up. You just double click them and they add them in. This is a HTML overlay. We just wanted to put something nice there so you could see like how it actually looks. Excuse me. Once you've done that, you update it, but there is text either side wherever you like it. So we'll put text here. Let me just show you. You can resize the video however big and however small you desire. Obviously, you won't want that small. You can go to the left, to the middle, to the right. Let's keep it center for now. Once you've done that, you update it. This video is set to 10 seconds, I believe. So ignore the immediate advertisement. That's just something that I wrote in for an example. So let's actually view the post.
Yeah, man, we really need to come
Oh
up
no,
with
it
an
is the
idea for
10
next
seconds
cover.
one.
Yeah, I know, man, but have you got any ideas?
Definitely 10 seconds.
What?
So then the advert pops in just like the YouTube advert, but you can have the YouTube advert showing immediately that, like the YouTube
Hey guys,
my name's Craig Crawford and welcome to... You can pause it. I didn't put a URL in just so I could pause this and speak a little bit. When I'm clicking the screen now, if I had to put the redirect link in, that would actually take me to wherever you desire. If you want to skip it and go back to the video, exactly like YouTube, you have the branding, which we didn't put into this actual video, but you will see the branding in the demos, and as you go through the page below, it will all be clearly explained. So that's how it works with the advert. It can pop up at any time you like, whether it's the beginning, like a YouTube one, or in the middle, or wherever. But the main thing is that it looks just like a YouTube advert. And this is another key lesson. We are all preconditioned to see YouTube adverts. Wherever we go on YouTube, we kind of get bribed into watching videos of adverts before we get to see the video that we actually want to watch, and it's very clever. If you're wondering how effective this is, over 1 million people use this themselves, but they use it on YouTube. No one else has ever been able to take this kind of aspect away and enter it within a blog or a website or wherever you want, pretty much. No one's ever been able to do that before up until now, and we know that it works because we've tested it, we've advertised using these, and we do have some actual results at the below this video that you will actually see. There's so many different videos and ways that you can utilize the video that I'm just going to show you a few immediately and then run through them and explain why. So I'm going to close this one now, and then I'm going to take you to, this is the HTML overlay. Now this could have an opt-in form. This could have a banner of whatever you like, whatever you desire. Anything that you want that's HTML can pop up whenever you like, as you like, and you can have it at different intervals. Remember this. So I'm just gonna hit F5 to kind of bring it back in. In 5 seconds, you'll see the overlay. See? So that you can have any advert you like in there and any call to action. So imagine if I just was in that video instead of a singer. I was like, hey, I've got a special offer for you right now. If you really enjoy this video, there's going to be something for you to take action on. If you just click the banner right now, then you can take advantage, and then bam, it pops up. It's perfect. This isn't just a banner. This is the whole screen. This is anything with HTML that you want overlaid as you like and when you like. You can have it saying, if you don't want this offer, then obviously go wherever you like. This is redirected. This will take you to other sales pages. It will take you to wherever you desire. You can skip and go straight back to it. So that's the HTML overlay, and I'll show you right now. Let's go back to edit, step 3. This is the HTML overlay, and as I said, it was 5 seconds. So you can choose however long you desire with this. It's definitely something that you can use within your business. Let's move straight on to the survey one now, because I don't want to waste your time. Time's precious. So after 5 seconds of this loading, you're about to see the advert. So this is called Poco, the video was. Where's Pato? I don't know who Pato is personally, but if you've ever seen this, then you might do. This is a survey. This can be hosted wherever you want on the page, obviously, like I say. So it says, where's Pato? So let's go for I don't know. Next question. What's your favorite part of the video? This one. Next question. Sign up for more videos. This is something that's amazingly clever as well. People can sign up within a survey and you get the opt-ins. You can build your list and survey your customers, so you can keep in contact with them. You can find out what they need, what your prospects want, what they desire, how you can help them. It doesn't have to be a survey. It could be a questionnaire. It could be for offline or online. It can be in any niche this actual plugin can be for. So it's perfect. So if they want to submit it, you hit submit. There's a cool little feature, and it plays again. You could have it at the end, you could have it at the start. Like I say, wherever you want and whenever you want, you can have this playing. The next one that we're going to move on to is the banner, starting from 3 seconds. I'm going to refresh this. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So you can have logo banners, whatever you want in there, however you like. If you click that, it would take you through to the redirect link, however you desire. It's just perfect for advertising. And like I say, we're all preconditioned to YouTube. We're preconditioned to the adverts. We're preconditioned to how it works, but we just don't understand it because it's been so cleverly done. Because we rely heavily on YouTube to see the content that they share with us and that other people share. So we exchange our time watching adverts and accepting these adverts to actually watch the videos. And you can utilize this now on your very own websites. And there's nothing else out there, like I say, that can be done like this at all. Now I'm going to run through the different aspects of them and how they work. The survey and the everything else that we want to involve. We can involve the banners. We can have different banners. This is just one banner. If we had different banners in there, there's different categories. I'm going to run through these all. So if we want the banner to fire up at 45 seconds, we want the video advert like YouTube. So we're preconditioning our prospects and our visitors now to see a kind of, we're pre-warming them to what's going to be happening. So we already are advertising to them without them even knowing because they think it's YouTube. The HTML overlay, so we have a big banner come up at, I don't know, say 1 minute 53, and at the end, if they enjoyed the video and they got value from it, then they can fill in a survey and enter their name and email address even. You can have different banner intervals, like I was saying, so different banners can pop up every 50 seconds. So if you've got a banner that you want to show up every minute with different offers or calls to action to redirect them wherever you like. You can have it every 50 seconds. You can have it however you want. It is so versatile, it's unreal. So now I'm going to move on to the HTML overlays because we've already gone through the video ads. So this is just a bit of code like I'm about to show you. New HTML overlay. So you have the title and you just paste in whatever HTML you desire, whether it's a web form for say from Aweber or GetResponse, or it's an image, whatever you desire really. You can add anything. So that is just an image with a link. As you can see, it's got the link that you could link to there. We will give you some training on how to do everything, so don't worry if you're thinking, wow, what's this? We're going to teach you step by step everything. So that's the overlay. The surveys, this is super simple. This is easier than any other survey platform that I've used out there to to be blunt. So you can view the answers and the responses obviously, which is that's the ones that we already entered. You can add a new survey. Survey title. This is cool. Let's add a question. How cool? Question type. You can have it plain text, multiple choice where they choose one or they can choose many. Or like I say, you can integrate an opt-in form. So let's go for multiple choice, just choose one. Really good. Excuse the E there. Super simple. Amazing. So now let's add another question. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong one. We just need to keep going. Would you like to know more from us in future? Let's go for an opt-in form. Add question. Go down. How old are you? Question type, multiple choice. Choose many, just for an example, 10 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 200. I don't think there's going to be that many people taking this survey at that age, but you never know. Submit, and there's it created. Now, like I say, this is cool, is the one that we created. You can preview it. This is cool. How cool? Amazing, of course. Next question. Would you like to know more from us in future? Yes. How old are you? 100 to 200. Submit. Alright, well, it's previewed anyway. That's why you couldn't see the responses and that, but it shows up within the video. The banner ads. This is really simple. You have different categories, so you can categorize your banners. There's different entries in case you put up to 100 banners in there. I don't think you will. Probably about 20, 30 max. You have the redirect URL and the banner. Let's go to new banner. Name, banner 1. You can have the category. We've not put any categories in yet. Image URL, so you can get one off the internet or wherever you like. Image upload, you can browse. You can put the redirect URL and then you submit. And it will do something like that, obviously, once you choose the graphic. And in the videos that I played, that's the one that showed up. Everything that you've seen as I ran through has showed up, whether it's the survey, the banner, the HTML overlay, or the YouTube advert. That's how it all works. And just remember that there's certain things out there that you're preconditioned to see that you don't actually realize, so it's not offensive. And this is what this play is all about. It's all about interacting with people at the times that you want and at intervals, capturing leads, pre-warming people, advertising, making people watch adverts before they get to watch the rest of the video, or watch the start of the video, an advert at the end. You can have all of these integrated at the same time, and they're on HTML, WordPress, and mobile. This is something that we personally use for our own business, and when you look below this page, you're going to see just how effective it was by the results that we got. I really hope you enjoy this, and I hope to see you on the inside. Take care for now.